We got a Ford Super Duty with the 99 to 2016 body style. This is a dually with the short bed, which is pretty rare to see. BAK Industries manufactures their covers, so they're smaller panels with the longer bed, so they're easier to maneuver and it looks cleaner, more flush. This cover is locked when this tailgate is locked, so there's no way to get in until you pull down on the cable that's located underneath on either side. So you pull down each time and the cover gives you the full bed access. So there's bump stops on the rear made to fit the cab so it doesn't rub against the truck. There's prop rods for each side, so if you want to drive with this cover open, you can lock it up in this position. Each panel locks on the tracks, which the tracks are clamped inside, so they're held in tight and no drilling's required. We also did these swing out toolboxes for each side. Visit us in Phoenix, Truck Access Plus, covers and accessories.